Drawing accurate proportions without a grid seems very complex and hesitating most of the time, especially when you are an absolute beginner. So here I'm going to reveal how you can draw a face with an accurate proportions and features using this simplest trick. So here, let's get started. So here I'm going to start with the eyes first. So for the eyes, I'm going to draw the base first like this because it's very comfortable to start with it. So first mark the position of the eyes once like this and draw the details like this eye is made up of 2 lines above the eye and 3 lines below the eye. So what I'm doing here is drawing the first line up above the eye and then one more underneath the eye, and also I'm drawing the pupil which is made up of 3 circles. So I'm not going to create more details right now. For now I'm going to draw the distance between the eyes and the eyebrows, which is equal to the length of the eyes. So mark the length of the eyebrows as I do right here after measuring the distance. So draw the eyebrows just following the shape of the eye as I did here. So the one eye is done here. Now you can see the distance between eye to eye is a little bit more from the length of eye. So now I'll draw a lot of horizontal lines based on left eye for the symmetry. Draw a horizontal line in every detail. Then you know where to start drawing the upper part of the eye, right? Measure the length of the left eye and apply it to the right eye, same as the left eye. So draw 2 dark lines on top, draw a horizontal line around left eye for an accurate symmetry. Also I'm drawing a pupil right here. That's how I'm drawing an eye in detail to level the other eye. Also I'm drawing the right eyebrow like the left eyebrow. After you measure the length of the eyebrows, you draw the eyebrows following the eye shape. Just like this. So here, before starting off with the nose, I'm going in first drawing a vertical line in the center, and by marking the horizontal length of the nose based on the distance at each end of the eye. So draw 2 diagonal lines around each of the eye, and the distance between the eyes and the nose is not as far as you thought. So draw the distance like this. Now drawing 2 vertical lines coming straight by the end of each eyebrow for making the basic structure of the nose, and this will look like a rectangle kind of shape. Now draw a diagonal line starting with the middle of the 2 lines that you are showing here. Mark the distance away from the vertical line, then mark the length of the nose, then draw the nostrils. After that, draw these vertical lines and then draw the marking where the nostrils are bent. Go up and down from this part like this. Okay, as nose structure is done here, now I'm going to draw the shadow underneath the nose like this, and then draw the philtrum to the end of the diagonal line. Now draw a horizontal line coming straight from the pupil for the lips marking. Mark the horizontal length of the lips based on the marking, and this is the horizontal length of the lips. Then draw the thickness of the upper lip similar to the length of the philtrum. So this is the middle lip line. Draw a half circle like this and then draw diagonal on the both sides. In between the lips, draw the tip of your mouth upward and mark the upper lip of the part that is slightly off the philtrum. After the lips, now draw the marking of the chin, which is half times the length of the lips. So now let's add more definition for drawing this face. I'm going to work on the contouring. I'm going to draw a straight vertical line coming down from by the end of the eye, and this is for creating the jawline. And here I'm going to draw a slightly bent marking like this for the outer face, starting from a little off the tip of the eyebrows. And that's how it is done. So after connecting all of the markings, now let's draw the ear marking. So the distance between the top of the eye and the brightest circle of the nose, to draw an ear on the marked parts. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial. This is it for today's one. The quality of this tutorial is not as much good as I have in my earlier videos because it's drawn too fast, but this is how you can draw any face fastly using this simple method. So I hope that you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.